Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got for my 21st wedding anniversary. So for those of you that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. Come join the family. I would love to have you. Just click on the red button to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified each time I upload. So for all those that have watched my recent vlogs, you guys know that I went to CLEEF ARPELS and we had a little shop around for our anniversary gift. Our anniversary was actually in November, but this video has just been a little bit delayed, but nonetheless, better late than never, and I want to show you the things I got. It actually worked out because one thing that I ordered came in recently. So if you haven't watched that vlog, I'll link it above, but it is my CLEEF ARPELS shopping vlog and a bit of Bottega. So if you want to watch that, I do show you some goodies and some of the new items that have come into CLEEF ARPELS. But today, let's get right into it and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so first up, you saw 3 bags. So in here, I love that they always give little gifts. You may have seen this on my Instagram because it was sort of featuring at the back when I brought my yellow Kelly. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I would love you to come join my Instagram family as well. But I haven't opened it, but it looks like food. I love food, but I really appreciate little things like this. So thank you to the Chadston team and Viv, who is my fabulous sales associate there. So let's just open this together. I'm sure that Sunshine and Miss S will probably want to dig in. So it's a double knot. Hang on a sec. Okay. So a beautiful tin and I think it's biscuits. Biscuits as you've never seen before. Oh, let's have a look together. Who doesn't like biscuits? I like biscuits. Oh, that's so cool. Look. Ta-da! So this is, well, it's actually been sitting here for a couple of weeks. I wonder if it's still okay. Should be okay, right? But anyway, it is flowers, a present, welcome back, because I hadn't been back in the store for since lockdown. As you guys know, Melbourne, the last few weeks, we've come out of our very strict 4-month lockdown. And I probably should have opened this sooner because it's just been sitting there and I hope I can still eat it. Yes, it's fine. It's used by the 28th of March, 2021. So how cool is that? I'm going to have the wine one. I'll let Miss S pick it. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. I love decorated biscuits. So thank you. That's really nice. Yum. Okay, so next is the bag that you saw me coming out with, and it's this bigger bag. So on that day, I picked up one item and then I had something on order and I asked you guys to guess what it was. Some of you got it right, some of you didn't, but it doesn't matter. It's all fun in guessing as well. So let me show you. It's in this box here and I got, dun, dun, dun. Some of you may know from the size of the box, and I will open it up to reveal. Can you see? Oh, beautiful. It is the 5 Alhambra or Alhambra bracelet in blue agate. And let me just see, let me just take this out. And the color is just to die for. Let me just unhook it. So I haven't got this adjusted. For those of you that do know my collection, you know that I own a 5 motif bracelet, but it is in the color carnelian, which is a beautiful dark red. But I had the links taken out because this is actually too long for me. But you can always get the links put back for your reference. Now, this one here, I purposely want to leave at this length because in that vlog, I don't know if you saw, But you can, if you own another VCA piece like the Sweet Alhambra, or even if it's not VCA and it's another piece, you can actually wear this as a necklace. So I would probably just, you know, at the store I used the 5 motif in malachite, which I loved as well. And you guys know I own the magic size in the malachite, which is one of my favorite earrings. But I wanted to add to my collection and pick another color. And this blue is stunning. I'm looking at this now and it really does change in the light. It looks dark, sometimes it looks light. Yeah, it is just beautiful. So you can wear it like that. And because on my hand, it is a little bit big, what you can do is there's 2 things that you can do. So if I do it up, which, you know, I'll just quickly show you. You can do it up and basically one motif, if you can sort of see, will be dangling like that. Or what you can do, another thing my sales associate says, is that if you sort of twist it, so if you twist, I'll probably need to ask hubby to help me put this on. Okay, pause. I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, so I got hubby to help me put it on, though you don't need someone to help you put it on. You can sort of attach it yourself. But as you can see, I've just twisted it and you can see that it's not too loose now. So that is what it looks like. But yeah, if you can do it that way, or you can just let one motif dangle whatever way you want. But I want to leave this one, you know, as is and have a play around because I want to wear it as a necklace. And as always, when you go in, you can ask. I did get the travel pouch as well. And it also comes with, you know, this is the polishing cloth, which is really, really handy. And let me share with you the price of the 5 Alhambra bracelet, which out of their whole range is sort of the most value for money in a way. I mean, it's expensive, but compared to like the earrings are just as expensive as a bracelet, but you get 5 here. That's not the reason why I got it, because, you know, I've got 2 pairs of Van Cleef earrings, but I'm just letting you know. Okay, so this vintage Alhambra in blue agate, yellow gold, it retails for 6,750 Australian dollars. Now, I believe if you go to your respective Van Cleef Arpels website, you will see the price. But I believe worldwide it is pretty similar. It's not like that huge variation, like for example in Hermes. So that is that one. Oh, by the way, for those of you that may be new to Van Cleef and Arpels, this blue agate sort of sits in the middle. So for example, the least expensive is the mother of pearl and also the onyx, which is the black. And then it's sort of the carnelian and the blue agate. And then the malachite tends to be more expensive. And then I think after that, the guilcher, I believe. And then of course, if you add diamonds and everything. So that is the very first piece that I picked and I absolutely love it. So another thing that I would recommend you do is if you do go in there, do ask to compare because each stone is individual. Some of them are lighter, some of them are darker. It just really depends on what you prefer. There is no, oh, darker is better than lighter or whatever. It's just your personal preference. So for me, I actually picked the one that was sort of in the middle. I liked that out of the couple I chose from. They don't always have it, but if you do, I would say just compare. You never know, because I know with my carnelian, I picked the darker one and not the lighter one because I just personally prefer that. So just a tidbit of information for you. And let's move on to the second item I got. So just before I move on to the second unboxing, I actually got hubby to help me just because I just quickly wanted to show you. This is what it looks like if I tighten it and just let one dangle off, which is really nice as well. So that's another option if you didn't want to shorten it and get Van Cleef to take a link out. So I actually really like that. Okay, so next is something in this bag here, and it is in this little box, and I am excited to show you that I picked, dun dun dun, Ta-da! Oh, so pretty. So this, guys, is my first limited edition holiday pendant. And I actually didn't think I would like this. So when it first came out and my sales associate was saying, "Are you interested in this?" I'm like, nah, because you guys know I am not really a necklace person. And I was like, nah, I'm not interested. And while I was there, I had the opportunity to try one on. So for those of you that don't know, every year Van Cleef Arpels during the holiday season always release a limited edition, vintage Alhambra necklace. So this one is the gill share with the sunburst, and it's got one little, diamond inside. And previous years they might have different stones, different colors. The hardware sometimes can be rose gold. Yeah, there's people that just collect them every year, and I can understand why. It is beautiful, but I picked this one because I am just in love with gill share. So this technique, this gill share technique, as you can see, it's just like a little sunburst. And I love the gold version, but I love this white gold version as well. And it is just so dainty, so elegant. Oh, it's still got the blue sticker. Let's take that off together. See, it's still got the blue sticker at the back. I was very lucky to get this because I did request it quite late. I take the blue sticker off, and there we go. And oh, it's still stuck to my hand. And I will put it on and show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like on me. So a lot of people love this size because, where is it gone? Because it is just really simple, and I really just loved it. I don't know what I was wearing that day, but oh gosh, there's so much on my Van Cleef & Arpels list I really like. But what do you guys think of the white gold on me? So on my wrist, even though I wear yellow gold, my wedding ring set is in platinum. So yeah, I always mix metals. So what do you guys think? It does come in, if you are more of a gold person, it does come in the single gill share without the diamond. But this one here with the diamond, it actually worked out not that much more expensive, but let me share with you the price. So this, as I said, the gill share tends to be the most expensive, but it is only a single pendant. See, this is 5,900 Australian dollars. So like I said, this being 6-7, you might think, wow, it's only one. So that's what I mean. I mean, if you were to get a single pendant in the vintage size in the mother of pearl, of course it is cheaper as well. But the gill share, because the technique, it does take them longer, hence why it is more expensive. Plus it's got the little diamond in there. And then as well, you always get, your little booklet of, certificate of authenticity and a little mini travel pouch. So this is my first mini one, I think. So just a little baby sized one for this. It's always nice getting these travel pouches. So those are the two items that I got for my wedding anniversary. Are you more of a bracelet person, or do you like this? Or do you think this in gold still? I don't know. There's just so much I like. I did try on the blue agate 10 motif. I think that's added to the wish list as well, but I just love that their pieces are so timeless, and you can just collect them slowly over the years. Like I said, I've started buying Van Cleef probably 3 or 4 years ago, and I like to commemorate a special occasion, whether that is an anniversary or Valentine's Day or birthday, with a piece of jewelry, because then I always remember, oh, I got it then. So that is it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much. What is coming up next is what I got hubby for anniversary. I know a lot of you are waiting for that. So that's coming up really, really soon. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what's on your Van Cleef Arpels, or what's on your jewelry wish list. Comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays, guys, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye. Okay, Why is it so stuck? Oh, they stuck it with icing thing. I'm going to choose the wine one. I should have this with coffee. It's like ASMR. It's good. I think heat it up with a cup of coffee or tea. Much better.